Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, but for today's recipe it is not baking. I know this is December, this is like when everyone's busy baking sweets and mostly cookies and then nut rolls and whatnot, but for today's recipe I would love to bake more cookies, but I've been baking cookies for 2 days in a row. So for today's recipe it is a food, a junk food maybe. It's called a whistle dog. My coworkers was telling me about this food that used to be offered at A&W. So it's like a hot dog but with a twist of bacon. So he was telling me how to prepare it and what's good about it, and how when one serves it brings memories for those who knew this food from before. Supposedly it was in the 60s, 70s. I'm not sure if you know about whistle dog. So yeah, I tried, and yeah, if you'd like to make as well, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Whistle dog! So first we're gonna slice our onion into rings, just thinly slices, and then we're gonna butter our hot dog buns. You can use butter, margarine, or whatever spread you like. And then we're gonna slice our all beef hot dog half, but not really broken, or you can slice it fully separate, but we try not to. But anyways, right now we're gonna slice the onion first. So this was just one small onion. We're gonna place it onto our non-stick pan with a little unsalted butter there, and we're gonna try to caramelize it, so brown it and until soften and nice. Now let's butter some buns, hot dog buns. So just stir it, melt the butter first, stir it until browning or caramelized. And while these are browning or caramelizing or cooking, we're gonna work on our other ingredients. So as I said, we're gonna halve it, but we're gonna try not to fully halve it, not to separate it. So it's like making a wing, a pair of wings. So you just want to slice in the center like so. So it's not fully half, much like the bun. Try to buy buns that are not too cheap, because the cheap one crumbles and easily half separate. But I bought Dempster's. It's better. It's not really separate much, so it makes it prettier. But regular buns or cheaper or crumbly buns work as well, obviously. It's just that I want to make it like the way I was taught or informed. So this is on medium-low heat while we work on the other ingredients. Just melt butter, and then we're gonna not grill, but kind of brown the hot dog. So if you have a griller, that would be nicer, but we're gonna brown the hot dog. So this is what I meant by making it like wings. So we're gonna brown these buns and hot dogs. So again, caramelize the onion in melted butter on medium-low heat while we brown the other ingredients like the buns and the hot dogs. I was informed by my co-workers the original is all beef hot dogs, so these are all beef hot dogs, but I see some people would make it with pork, so it's all up to you. You can even use all chicken, I guess. And we're gonna do so, flip it so nicely brown. Do the same to the hot dog. Just ready to brown these. Oh, nicely brown already. So we're gonna flip our bun again. Oh yeah. And then on this bun, we're gonna put cheddar cheese. So once you like cheddar cheese, place your hot dog on the bun. And then you top it with the onion, the caramelized onion. And relish. And also, if you want mustard and ketchup, and your whistle dog is done. Like so. The flavoring is on the relish and ketchup and mustard. Ta-da! So I'm making a low carb one for my husband. Basically without the bun, but on a bed of lettuce. And ta-da! You got the low carb. Now, as for me, my husband and the kids don't want to use bacon, but I was taught by Mike that it has bacon too, the whistle dog. So I'm gonna try it with bacon. This is chicken bacon. This is for me. I know it's a bit piggy, but I just want to try to make kind of authentic whistle dog, you know. Difference is just that from the boys and from my husband, they didn't use bacon, and the onions are like the ring onion, but I kind of chop mine, so I want it kind of different. I think I like it chopped. And then you just lay the same with bacon, and then put your relish and sauces on top.